Here we have number 6. We are saying that ABC is a square, so we're going to find the value of the x. Notice for a square, all the angles here are going to be 90 degrees. The fact that they're 90 degrees, you are allowed to set up this equation. 5x is equal to 90. Divide by 5 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with x is equal to 90 divided by 5, which is 18. Next, we want to see if it is a rhombus. So there are several things interesting about the rhombus. All right, and the fact that the rhombus is a parallelogram, we know that these two here have to be supplementary. So we know that angle F plus angle G has to be equal to up to 180. So 130 plus, I think, what is that, x is equal up to 180 minus 130 to both sides. This cancels, x is equal to 50 degrees. And then C, okay? Well, we know that the rectangle, the corners here have to be 90 degrees. So x plus 40 has to be equal to 90. So if we solve, minus 40 to both sides, x equal to 50. Let's do it for the other equation as well. 2x minus 10 is equal to 90. Add 10, this gets you 2x is equal to 100. Divide by 2, x is still equal to 50. Okay. Right, so either way you can set it up, you still get the same answer. So there you go. That is what you use your properties to write the equation to solve for the